Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing my tried and true glam look. This is what I would do if I have a wedding that I'm going to, if I'm going to an event, if I'm going to some kind of a party. And today I am going to be taking it to my living room to do some work. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, let's go. All right guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is take this Marc Jacobs Tantastic bronzer, and I'm just going to use this to warm up my face. As for my foundation, I'm wearing the All Night, no, what is it called? The All Hours foundation by YSL. And today I just want to add a little bit of warmth to my skin, not so much like chisel my face out, even though I should be chiseling it out. I'm gonna go in with my Radiant Bronze Light bronzer by Hourglass, and I'm just going to add this all over, again adding warmth and light. I like to take this one actually across the nose. I just really like the way that it makes my face look. I feel like just add some glow and natural glow. I'm going to take my Fenty liner. We're going black today. And I'm going to use this to line my lid, but also I'm going to create a wing. Right now I'm just trying to get this line nice and close to the lashes. Just that alone, like, it adds definition, you know, it makes you look like you have a fuller lash. I'm gonna go ahead and do my wing off camera and then we'll be back. Ooh, I look like I have a little tan. All right guys, I'm back with liner and one coat of mascara. I'm gonna go into my Jackie Aina palette. I really love this palette. And I'm going to take Ginger, which is that color there. And I am going to start by placing this color in the crease. We're just gonna do my good old trusty, add some mascara, liner, and a little bit of color on the eyes, and then keep the lip pretty and bold. That's my mood today. Simple. Simple isn't bad, guys. And then I'm gonna bring it up slightly higher towards the inner of the brow, just to kind of create the illusion that my brow or my crease isn't falling. We are very hard on ourselves, right? Like, there's small little things and we go at it. And then I'm going to take this color and then just kind of bring it slightly down and intensify it more on the outer corner, just so that it looks a little bit more defined. So we want most of the color payoff on the outer corner and then blend forward. And whatever's left, bring it up. So that just backfired on me because I think I grabbed the wrong color. I'm pretty sure I did. Yeah, it's okay. We'll soften this with my foundation brush. Boom. Again, I'm bringing this up. The other thing I wanted to tell you guys, if the liner looks different, my Fenty liner is actually drying out. So this eye was a little difficult and patchy. And it's not because it's a bad liner. It's a really good liner, but it's just pen drying out. So hopefully I can get a few more uses out of it. I really love that liner. And I don't know that I'll repurchase it anytime soon because, trust me, I want to. But I'm like, I have these gel liners that I've purchased recently. I'm like, I'm gonna take edges, and I don't want to have a ton of liners. And I'm just going to concentrate this on the outer corner and then bring it forward. And then again, just look at the shape of your eyes and work with that. I'm cleaning my brush off so that there's nothing on there, and then blending back and forth. And just always, I learned this when I worked for MAC, is always step back and look at your work. So I have a big mirror behind my actual camera setup, And so sometimes I find myself looking at that mirror just to really get an idea of what it's looking like. And then I have a mirror down here, so when you guys see me looking down like that, I'm actually looking into a mirror, and it's just allowing me to see what the eye look is looking like. And then also by looking down, I'm actually creating a smooth canvas, because you guys know my eyebrows are falling, and so I sometimes it's hard for me to get a smooth application in this inner part here. So yeah, just telling you guys all of my flaws. I'm gonna take credit, and I am going to use this just on this outer corner, just a tiny bit, not really going to add a ton. I don't want it to really even become a part of the look. I just want to add a little bit of depth. See how it's just very subtle? It's not like I have a, you know, this dark brown in the actual look. It's very soft and diffused. I don't know if that makes any sense. I don't know what I'm saying today. I'm tired. I've had a really long work week, and I feel like I'm exhausted. And that's crazy, right? Because we're like, well, you're at home, heifer, why are you so tired? But I've literally been working day and night. This look is really soft and blended. You don't want anything to look really harsh or obvious. I'm going to take a flat brush, and I'm going to take the color Ginger, which is this shade here, and I'm going to run this on the bottom. If you guys are wondering, I have on my nails, Nails Ink, what is it? Nude and Neon. All of these colors are in this set. So you have an orange, this like green yellow, that nude taupey gray, and then the pink. And I just did this. I have been doing my nails at home, obviously, right? I'm gonna take credit and just run it on the outer corner. I have gotten really good at doing my own nails, my hand nails, not so much a pedicure, but like I can do my hands. It's something that I enjoy. So at this point, I'm doing my nails often, and they're growing, which is nice. I find myself doing them more because I'm like constantly cleaning or organizing, so my nails chip faster, the color chips faster. I just thought in my head, I like it, I like it. My son says that. I don't know where he got it from or why that, but he's like, I like it, I like it. This shadow looks so good. It looks so blended and soft. It's exactly what I wanted. And not to toot my own horn, but damn, my eyebrows look good. For my lips, I'm going to take NARS Don't Stop. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that off camera, and we'll come back and finish this look. All right, so I'm going to take a little bit more of my Hourglass bronzer, and I'm just going to, again, follow that same pattern that I did earlier. And it's just because whenever I wear a bold lip and an eye look like this, I want to look bronzy. So I'm just taking whatever's left on the brush and just kind of running it along the rest of my face, and I love the way that this looks. I'm going to take Fenty's What It Do setting spray. The mist on this is so fine, and it smells like aloe, I think. It's aloe. All right, guys, so here is the final look. I love this look. This is my go-to whenever I need to glam up or whenever I'm going anywhere. This is pretty much what I always do. I love this look so much, and you guys know that these liquid lipsticks are some of my favorite. They're very comfortable. They never feel dry. As you guys can see, they do set down to a matte. There is some transfer, but they wear beautifully. It never looks like you have that butthole lip thing going. So I really love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please be sure to subscribe. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you'd like to see me film. And don't forget to subscribe. I hope you guys are safe and doing well, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.